Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn something. How to learn digital marketing. So what the steps we need to essentially follow to learn these digital marketing concepts to grow our business, to improve our sales. Yes, what steps to be taken and what such type of course to be learned if you are very much interested. Yes, with this help I'm taking ChatGPT OpenAI tool to getting this information in front of you. Yes, definitely we will discuss more about this digital marketing concepts and improvement skills. Yes, if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us for more interesting videos like this. Let's begin. I'm just trying to asking ChatGPT. Open your browser, log into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an open AI tool where it can give you more wonders. It's like a conversational AI, artificial intelligence tool. Let's see how to learn digital marketing. How to learn digital marketing to improve sales. Yes. Most cases we will try to learn such type of digital marketing. We'll try to improve the sales. So concentrate here like what it is. See, learning digital market can ease certainly it's a sales for your business. Obviously. So here are the few steps artificial intelligence also sharing with us, which you are going to be learned or which you are going to be concentrating to learn digital marketing concepts. See, here you have to focus more interesting things to learn such as skills. For why you need to focus more? To improve the sales analysis. Let's begin. See, the first point, define your goals. What are the goals you are going to be reach certain category? So here like a digital marketing, like important, define your goals, like achieve something. The efforts by defining goals and focus your efforts and measures to reach a success in the sense what the target you are facing and how you need to reach the goal. Now study the basics. The digital marketing conferences comprises of strategies, techniques including search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is nothing but what the users are going to be hitting a keyword according to your relevant product, what the services you are offering. So identify such things keenly. By doing some research, it will easily get it. Now, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertisement. Yes, this is also possibly there. Whereas, who is your customer and who until or till what type of customers it's reaching your product advertisement. That is very, very big essential. Otherwise, unless until the product is not relevant to your customers, it's a waste of your time, money and all efforts. No result. So concentrate over there. And these areas so you can understand how to work and they can be improve the sales. And learn from experts. There are many digital marketing experts are offering online courses. Yes. Along with the online courses, webinars and training programs, one-to-one training or group trainings. Yes, and look at the courses which are covering such a required concepts which are relevant to improving your sales. Choose such a course. Choose such a areas and practice and experiment. Yes. These digital marketing concepts, it's a highly required practice and experiments. Different zones and different categories you have to experiment and see the result. Then, which is a working experiment is there, you have to expand it. So here you see what ChatGPT is suggesting. Digital marketing consistently evolving field. The best way to learn practice by experimenting different strategies. Start a small test with a small amount or digital sales or promoting social media or making paid promotions. So different categories you have to test it, experimental test. which is getting and which is giving more result to you, then you have to focus more and more. In such a way you can expand it. And the best which is shows you the result, that you have to focus more. Analyze and optimize. So digital marketing, data driven important, track the result of analyze your data. Whenever you have to analyze such things, it's very importantly to focus and analyze the data analytics. Based on this data, you can take a next step, how to approach, how to take a movement to the next strategy. These things will help you. And these campaigns will improve over the time. Overall, learning digital marketing takes a time and effort, and your ideology and analytics, how you are affording, and the concentration, and the valuable investment for your business. If done correctly, definitely it will pay you return. By focusing on your goals, studying the basics, learning from experts, practicing the experimenting, and analyzing, optimizing the result, can improve your sales to grow your business very successfully. If you feel this video lecture and these points are helping you to enabling any point, even a single point, if you feel good, please do subscribe and support for harisystems for more interesting video lectures. Thank you for I'll catch you in future video. Thank you.